Hello there, this is Hasper with WTI. And isn't it cool to have a statement piece whenever you're going to the beach? Well, my statement piece this time is these glasses from ADE. I love how trendy they are. They can be worn in the summer or any time of the year when it's sunny. I love the rectangle shape of these and how bright this pink is. I think these go well with any face shape. They're really flattering, and I love that the frame is pretty thick, so it's not like they're gonna break. I love that the construction of these is really sturdy. They feel super high quality, and every time I wear them, since it's not a common color or a common shape, everyone compliments them. So that is something I really like. I feel pretty unique, also fashionable, and at the same time I'm protecting my eyes from the sun. So if you guys want to try out these ones, well, I highly recommend them. They're super cute, and that's my point of view.